In a bright, sunny field, the stage is set for a fun challenge. Sniffles versus the ball. Here comes Sniffles, our playful hero. Sniffles spots a big, colorful ball in the distance. The colorful ball draws his attention. Sniffles makes a quick decision and dashes off. He runs through the grassy field full of energy. Sniffles gets close to the ball, his excitement growing. Uh-oh, a bit wobbly now. He teeters for a moment of losing his balance. Oops! Sniffles rolls on the ball and ends up on the grass. Not one to give up, Sniffles gets back on his feet. He refocuses on the colorful ball, ready to try again. Sniffles jumps back into action and charges toward the ball again. This time, he glides smoothly across the field. Sniffles is almost there. The ball is just a hop away. At last, Sniffles catches the ball. Time for a victory dance. Sniffles takes a moment to wave goodbye with his victorious smile. Join Sniffles for more fun adventures. Like and subscribe for more.